us learn about the SCF. In the previous class, we have followed the common factor and find the SCF is the method of the common factor. Now SCF insists the highest common factor. Here is the three types of method to find the SCF: common factor, prime factor, and the tree factor is a type of the prime factor. Now the next is the type of the long division. Now the common factor 8 and 12, we just write all the factors and then we find the common factor. Like example of the 8 and 12. 1 is the factor of 8, 2, 4, 8. And 12 factor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now the common factor 1, 2 and 4. The highest common factor is 4. So HCF is 4. Now in this class we have tried to understand prime factor. Prime instances are those numbers which have only two factors, like 8 and 12. First I explain about the tree method. Why we see the tree method? Because tree have the more the branches. So here is the do the partition by the branches. 8. The 2 is the prime factor, and 2 into 4, when we multiply 2 into 4 we get the 8. So the factor is the 2 and 4. 2 is the prime number, so I circle it. Now the 4, it is also divisible again. 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, so it is the prime factor is 2 and 2. Now the 8 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Now 12 similar. 12 is the factor of the 2 into 6. Some students say, ma'am, here is 4 into 3 also it is right. Yes, both are the factor is right. 2 and 6 I just take it, and 6 is also divisible by 2 and 3. Now the 12 factor is, we just write it here circles number 2 2 2. So 8 2 into 2 into 2. Now 12 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Now the find the common factor 2 and 2. 1 2. We write 1 at here, again 1 pair comma, so we again write this number. 2 2s are 4. Now the SCF is 4. Now the prime factor, we just do the partition like that. That is the prime factor division. Now we write 8 at here, 8 is divisible by 2. The answer is 4. Now 4 is divisible again by 2, so we have write it here 2 and the result is 2. Now 2 is also divisible by 2 and the answer is 1. Now the 12, 2 is divisible by 12 at the 6th time. Again that is divisible by 2. So we have write it here 2. 2 k double by 6. How many times? 3 times. So we have write it here 3. Now 3 and that is the 1. Now we write that number 8 2 into 2 into 2 and 12 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Find the common factor. Here is 1 and 2 pairs. So 2 2s are 4. Now the last long division method. We have do the divided here. Just like 8 is divided first, 8 is divided by 12, 8 1s are 8. Now the remainder is 4. Now we do the again divided here and write this division at the divided. Now 4 8s are how many times? 2 times, and 4 is the number that completely divisible this number, so SCF is the 4. Thank you. Next student, our topic are the LCM. LCM for the least common multiple, L for least या lowest for the lowest number, and the common multiple. Here are the two types to find the LCM. First the common multiple. This are studied in about our previous classes, and the prime factor method we will study in this class. Now 9, 12 and 6. 9 multiples in sense we just write the table. 9, 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63 and 72. 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66 and 72. Now we find the common multiples. Common multiples are those numbers which are the common in the both the three numbers, 36, 36 and 36. So we write the 36 at here, 72, 72 and also 72. So here is two number are the common number, and the LCM for the least common multiple, so here is the 36, that is the LCM. Now the prime factorization, 9, 12 and 6. First we do the divide 9, 12 and 6. Here is the even number, so we have to do the divide by the first 12. 9 cannot be divisible, so we just write down as it is at the below. Now 2k double by 12, how many times? 6 times. 2k double by 6, 3 times, so we have write it here like that. Again 6 is divisible by 2, so we have just write 2 at here. 2k double by 9 not divisible, just mention like that. 2k double by 6 3 times, and 3 also continue as below because it cannot be divisible by 2. Now that all number are divisible by the prime number 3, just write it here 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 के टेबल में 3 one time, then again one time. Now again divisible by 1 and 3 के टेबल में 3 how many time? One time, and that's 1. We continue this process whenever we cannot get the 1 at the below at the last moment. So now we do the find the LCM. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Thank you.